For anyone who would like to retake the quiz, I will go over everything from the first quiz, and then I will give you another version of this quiz. So let me quickly go through each of these, and hopefully that will help you for your retake. So number one, we have 4 plus x equals 12. So there's only one solution for this. That would be 8, because 4 plus 8 makes 12. When x is anything else, the equation would be false. So I could literally put in any other number. I'll put in like 7. All right, next, 5g equals 20. This means 5 times a number called g will equal 20. 5 times 4 is 20. Therefore, I want to put a 4 here. And again, there's only one solution for this. So any other number would make it false. So I will just pick the number 3. 5 times 3 is 15, which is not 20. So any other number besides 4 would make the equation false. All right, number 3, f divided by 4 is less than or equal to 3. I could put in something like 12, because 12 divided by 4 is 3, which is equal to 3. And now when I'm looking to put in something that will make it false, I can maybe choose something like 20, because 20 divided by 4 equals 5, and 5 is not greater than or equal to 3. So I have just made it false, which was my goal. All right, moving down a bit. Let's see. All right, looking at number 4, I want you to substitute 4 for g. That means when you see a g, change it to a 4. 3 times 4 is 12. Is 12 greater than 15? That is the question. Hopefully we know that it is not. Therefore, this is false. If it is false, you need to make it true. So I need a number that when I multiply it times 3, I will get something that is greater than 15. I will go with 6, because 3 times 6 is 18, and 18 is greater than 15. So now I've made it true. I'm sorry. Yeah, I've made it true. All right, next one. I'm going to substitute 23 for r. So when I see an r, I substitute a 23. This will create a number sentence that looks like this. 121 minus 98 is greater than or equal to. That line means or equal to 23. This creates a true number sentence. If it is true, I need to make it false. So if I put in a different number, like maybe 100, now I've made it false, because 23 is not greater than or equal to 100. So I've made it false. Number 6, let's look down there. Uh, 36 equals 9k. So that means I need a number or a value of k that when I multiply times 9, I get 36. That is 4 if I know my multiplication facts. Because there's only one solution for this, any other number would make it false. So I will put in 2, because 9 times 2 does not equal 36. Next one, I'm going to substitute a value for h, so that when I subtract 10 minus whatever h is, it will be less than or equal to 7. I will go with 9. When I subtract 9 from 10, I get 1, and 1 is less than or equal to 7. It's less than. So I could go with 9, and then to make it false, I could put in something like 2, because 10 minus 2 is 8, and 8 is not greater than 7. So I've just made it false. Number 8, 42 plus 8 needs to be greater than or equal to g. So 50, which is what I get when I add 42 and 8, needs to be greater than or equal to g. What should g be to make this true? G needs to be less than 50, right? So I could put in 49, because 50 is greater than 49. And to make it false, I could go with something like 51, because 50 is not greater than 51. Therefore, I just made it false. 2 left. When y equals 6, 2y equals 14, is that a true number sentence? So when y is 6, that means 2 times y, or 2 times 6, is 12. Does 12 equal 14? No. And last but not least, when y equals 64, does 64 over 2, is that less than 32? Well, 64 divided by 2 is 32. Let me move this over here. So the question is 32 less than 32? No, they're equal, but it's not less than, so this is also not true. I hope this was helpful. You may not submit this as your quiz because I just gave you all the answers, but if you would like a retake, I can give you another quiz that is very similar to this one, and you can submit it for a better score. All right, thank you for watching.